Hi guys, and welcome to another day in our virtual science classroom of virtual learning. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, and let's go ahead and get started. Thank you all for sharing your song recommendations. I was able to hear all of them, and I have to say that your taste in music is quite excellent. Christopher, um, Gustavo, Angel, and Jimena, thank you for sharing your favorite songs. I did have a great time listening to them. Now, today, Your Do Now involves you sharing a song that gets you full of energy and pumped up. Maybe it's the beat, maybe it's the lyrics, it could be anything, but a song that gets you full of energy. I would like for you to share that with me today. Now, for me, the song that does that is Don't Stop Me Now by Queen. Queen is a band from the 70s and 80s and a little part of the 90s, very famous band. And this song was one of their earlier works. And I believe you've heard it at some point in one of the Cahoots in the class. It's a very energetic song and very great to start any day, full of energy and pumped up. All right, let's go ahead and get started with today's lesson. Today, we're going to very briefly talk about what does it mean to engineer something. We've been talking about engineers and engineering for quite some time now. Now, there are many types of engineers, as you guys remember. There are civil engineers, which create bridges and buildings. There are software engineers that create the apps that you may like. And there are computer engineers or also electrical engineers that create electronic devices, such as computers, televisions, laptops, whatever it is you may know that is electrical. All right. But what does it mean for them to engineer something? We use the word engineer as to create. And yeah, when you engineer something, you're creating it, but there's so many steps that go along the process that we can't just say that engineering is something simple. We need to actually know what it means. So we're going to watch a very quick video about what is an engineer, what does it mean to be an engineer, and what does an engineer do? What does an engineer does? No, what does an engineer do? There we go, much better. My apologies, guys. Um, so go ahead and look for this video. It is the Crash Course Kits. Wait. All right, Crash Course Kits. The name of the video is What is an Engineer? Crash Course Kits number 12.1. If you can't find it, don't worry, I'll send the link along with this video as well. So take the time to look at it. It's only a 5-minute video. After you're done watching the video, then you need to do this assignment for today. The assignment for today is simply answering this question in at least 3 sentences. What does it mean to engineer something? Is it easy or is it a lot of work? Go ahead and write down your best response for it. Make sure it's full sentences. Make sure you take a picture of that work and make sure you send it over to my cell phone. All right, once you are done for the day. Thank you so much for taking the time to be with me again today. And this is sort of what it should look like. You should just write engineering as a title of your page and begin writing with to engineer something you need to blank, blank, blank. Other than that, we don't have any other work unless you've already finished your math and reading work for the day. Then you have the rest of your day to enjoy and relax. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. I hope everyone's staying healthy. And if you need anything, please don't hesitate in calling me. Thank you and have a great day.